Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the Jade roller. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button for more video and follow me on my Instagram. And this video is gonna be very short because it's all about the Jade roller, and I'm sure so many of you know about these tools, and I just thought maybe some of you don't know how to use it and what this tool does, and yeah, I just thought I share my thoughts about this tool with you. So this tool is such a lovely simple tools. So I keep this one in a fridge. I bought it from Amazon. This is, if you are over 35, over 40, this helps to get rid of all of the fine lines, any puffiness. If you wake up in the morning, your face is puffy, under eye puffy, so put it in a fridge, and every morning when you drink your tea or coffee or a smoothie or whatever you do, take it from the fridge, and the coolness help the puffiness. So you place it on your face and you roll up. From here, just 3 stroke up. What it does, the back your contour to your face, they help to reduce your fine lines and all of the collagen back to your skin, the fine lines around your eyes, puffiness around your eyes, all gonna be reduced. And it's so soothing as well. And for your forehead, you just do it like upwards to your hairline. And by the way, if I looking there, I use it as a mirror. 5-10 minutes every morning and 5-10 minutes before you go to bed is helps a lot. If you do for like few weeks, you're gonna see the big difference. But before I use it, I forgot to tell you, because I was waiting for the noise comes down, I forgot to tell you, before I use the roller, I use this vitamin C day serum by Drunk Elephant. Is such a lovely serum. You can use any serum or any oil you wanted to. And then I go with other side of my face, and then it's so soothing. And and if you believing in like crystals and all of these things, is like so good. And for your neck, you have to go towards your heart. And as you know, when we get aging, it shows straight away on our neck, because the skin on our neck is so thin, so we get so quickly wrinkles around the neck, around the eyes. So you can focus more on here, on necks, downwards, and then you can focus more around the eye. It's so soothing. Again, I'm just repeat myself, I know, but it's just such amazing, inexpensive tools. You can use it every single day before you do everything. In the morning I use serum. In the night, most of the time, I use any oil. And if you're curious which oil I'm using, in the night time I use lammer oil, and in the daytime I use like vitamin C. Today I use Drunk Elephant. Sometimes I use Dermalogica vitamin C. It depends what my skin needs that day. Yeah, so that was my demo of Jade roller. But my next video is gonna be about derma rolling, which is very important if you are over 35. So please subscribe and ring the bell so you're not gonna missing on that video. So thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.